Have you just assembled your new Organic Garden Co raised garden bed and are excited to get growing? Here's our recommendation for filling your bed. Most common veggies only need 30 centimeters of soil to thrive. Any more can be unnecessary and expensive. You can save money by filling the base of your raised garden bed with organic matter from around the home. We're using cardboard packaging from our garden bed, leaves, logs and sticks. Make sure you check what the requirements are for the plants that you're planning to grow. Start by filling your bed with organic material, leaving at least 30 centimeters of space at the top for soil and mulch. Next, fill your bed with the soil mix of your choice. Make sure that you leave 2 centimeters at the top for mulch. Now we're going to plant our veggies. Today we're planting cherry tomatoes and chili seedlings. Top it off with a couple of centimeters of mulch. We're using sugarcane mulch today. You may need to top it up with some more as the bed settles over time. And that's it. Good luck in the garden, Green Thumbs.